The Madness Tech community connects tech enthusiasts in the field of data, front-end, product and cloud native. Subscribe now and feel free to join our community and meetups. Events and groups are listed below, and now follow us into the rabbit hole.
I'm Andrés González, originally from Mexico. I studied physics engineering in the Tecnológico de Monterrey, or Monterrey Institute of Technology. And then I worked for a year or so as a research assistant, working on modeling for polymers. Then I did my master's in Munich at the TUM in applied physics. By the middle of my master's, I realized that I really enjoyed the modeling part, the coding, and the hype of artificial intelligence. And I ended up doing my master's thesis on modeling tumor growth with deep learning. Soon afterwards, I joined Uncountable as the first employee in Europe. And I've been honored to help this startup in Munich and Europe both grow the team and also serve one of the biggest companies across the globe in development of materials. Well, there are many things that I wish I knew when I started working with modeling and machine learning, which I learned in the area of optimization for materials. So I would say that the most important learnings or key points on my talk are these very easy tips that are often overlooked, especially when you're working with data that comes from sciences. It often is high dimensionality, it often is sparse, and it often is small, contrary to all other types of data, which is big data. We're not really tackling that situation often. So I would say if you want to start modeling and get the best models that are less biased or can generalize the best with little data, I think you will take home some important learnings if you see the talk. We're experiencing a growth and an evolution in technologies that I think it's unprecedented. And we at Uncountable are harnessing all the knowledge from the materials and at the same time all the knowledge from these advanced statistical procedures in order to produce an intuitive platform to help scientists across the globe. And that is very exciting because I don't think there's any product out there that is comparable. And on the other side, it's been amazing to work at this company because it's the smartest people I've ever known, and we are all very motivated to help people get to the next iteration of the breakthrough or the next product that is going to revolutionize an industry, whether it is fuels or the pharmaceutical industry or the automotive industry. I know that at some point Uncountable will be ubiquitous and will help develop these changes. I like to add, make sure to Google Uncountable. We are very passionate and very science-driven, and also low-ego engineers, and we try to promote ourselves that way. So feel free to reach out. We want to hear from you. The best way to contact us is go to uncountable.com and click at the top right careers if you are looking for a job or you just want to reach out. If you want to contact me personally regarding this talk or any of the type of work that I do, please send an email to andres@uncountable.com.